Today let's learn how to collaborate on Instagram. If you also want to make a collaborative post on Instagram, let me show you the way of doing it. Head over to Instagram, tap on the plus icon on the bottom, and select the photo or the video that you want to add in the collaboration post to. And from here, tap on the arrow on the top right, and again tap on the arrow on the top right. After that is done, in this section, tap on tag people and make sure that you tap on invite collaborator. Once you do, you'll be able to search up the username on Instagram and just select the person or the account that you want to collaborate with on Instagram. And once you do, tap on the tick mark on the top right. And now you can post this to your Instagram. And the invitation link will be sent to the other person or the other account, and if they accept your collaboration request, you will successfully add in a collaboration post on Instagram. So that was the video on how to collaborate on Instagram. If you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.